Hello friends, today we are going to start a chapter 2 Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plant. Now we are going to start autogamy when pollen grain of a flower are transferred from anther to stigma of the same flower. Coleorrhiza, a protective cell of radicle in monocot seed. Coleoptile, a protective cell of plum in monocot seed. Perisperm, it is a diploid peristance nucleus that is black pepper beet. Nucleus, multicellular tissue, is the center of ovule in which embryo sac is present. Viability of seeds, ability of seed in retain the power of germination. Microsporangium, pollen sac, outer layer epidermis, second layer endothecium, middle layer 2 and 4 layer of cell, innermost layer tapetum nourishes the development of pollen grain. Microsporogenesis, process of formation of microspores from a pollen mother cell. Sporogenesis are tissue 2n form a MMC, meiosis 2n, microspores thread and microspores 4 microspores and are formed of 4 pollen grain are haploid. Pollen grain are three types: outer wall are axine, inner wall are intine, and cells a vegetative cell. Axine thick, hard, made up of sporopollenin. Intine thin, made up of cellulose and pectin. Cells of vegetative cell large in size and germinative cell is small in size. Gametophyte is small in size. And this is a structure of pollen grain, male gametophyte. And sporopollenin is one of the most resilient organic substances. It is not affected by the high temperature, strong acid or alkaline. No enzyme can be degraded. Pollen grain are rich in carbohydrates, protein and unsaturated fat. There is a consumption of believed to increases the perform of antelopes and horses. They are used in the form of tablet and syrup. Pollen viability. Pollen of wheat and rice remain viable for 30 minutes. Pollen of the some plants may remain viable from several months. Pollen can be cryopressed in liquid nitrogen 196 Celsius in pollen bank. Pollen of carrot grass, Parthenium, Chenopodium, and Amaranthus, etc. may be causes pollen allergy. Megasporogenesis, process of formation of haploid megaspores from megaspore mother cells. Megaspore mother cell 2n diploid and form of 4 mother cell. Megaspores are haploid. Megasporogenesis are ovule. The ovule is the small structure which is attached to the placenta of means a stalk called funicle, and the point of attachment of the body of the ovule to the funicle is now as the helium. The main body of the ovule is composed by the parenchymatous cells now as nucleus. Each ovule has one of the two protective integument which encircle the ovule except of tip having a small opening called micropyle. Opposite to micropylar ends is callosal end. Generally, a single embryo sac or female gametophyte located in nucleus cell of the nucleus have abundant reserve food material and provided nourishment to the developing embryo. Female gametoembryo sac. In majority of the flowering plant, out of the 4 megaspore, one of the megaspore is functional while other three degradation monosporic development. The functional megaspore develops in embryo sac. The nucleus of the functional megaspores and undergoes three successive mitotic cell division which result the formation of 8 nucleotide state of the embryo sac. 3 nuclear division. The cell wall formation start at 8 nuclear stage. 3 cells are grouped together a micropolar end from the 8 apparatus, 2 centigrades plus 1 egg cell. 3 cells are grouped at callus end. They are called antipodal cell. The remaining 2 nuclei are polar nuclei moved to the center of embryo sac called central cell. Thus, the typical angiosperm embryo sac at maturity in 8 nucleated and 7 celled. Development of embryo sac. This is megaspore and from antipodal cells, polar nuclear and central cell, egg cell and centigrades. Kind of pollination are autogamy, gametogamy and xenogamy. Agent of pollination, biotic agent, bees, flies, butterfly, wasp, moths, ants, birds, beetles, rotten reptiles and some primates, etc. Abiotic agent, wind and water. In some plants like oxalis, ovella, etc. have two types of flower, cosmogamous flower and schistogamous flower. Flower remain open from maturity. Self-pollination and cross-pollination both taken place in the flower. Schistogamous flower remain closed throughout their lives, so only self-pollination occur. Outbreeding device, non-synocorpinization of pollen release and stigma receptive self-incompatibility, monoecious or dioecious plant. And fourth one is position of anther and stigma in such a way that pollen cannot come in the contact of stigma of a same flower. Pollen pistil interaction. The pistil has ability to recognize the pollen grain whether it is the right type complementable or of the wrong type of incompletable. If the completable, this is the pistil except for the pollen grain. The pollen grain germinated on stigma to produce the pollen tube. The contents of germinative cell or the two male gametes in those species whose pollen is liberated in the three cell stage move into the pollen tube. Pollen tube grow through the tissue or stigma and style by secreting enzyme and enter the ovule through the microspila via one of the centigrades. Filiform apparatus guides the entry of pollen tube. Double fertilization. The pollen tube releases two male gametes into the cytoplasm of centigrades. One male gametes move towards the egg cell and other male towards the central cell. Syngamy. One male gamete and egg cell and zygote. Triple fusion. Second male gamete and two polar nuclei and pen. 3N. Since two types of fusion takes place in the embryo sac, hence it is called as double fertilization. Post-fertilization event, endosperm and embryo development, maturation of ovule and fat of floral parts are these, and now this is a development of endosperm. The primary endosperm cell PEC in embryo sac divided again and form a triple endosperm. The cell of endosperm are filled with the reserved food material which is used to nourishment of embryo during its development and also for young leading at the time of germination. Pan-nuclear division, free nuclear endosperm and cell wall formation and cellular endosperm. Development of embryo. Embryo formation starts after a certain amount of endosperm is formed. Following are the stages in the following development of dicotyledonous embryo: zygote, pre-embryo, globular embryo, heart-shaped embryo, mature embryo. And these are the diagram of development of dicot embryo. Dicot embryo or typical dicot embryo consists of the embryonal axial and the two cotyledons. The portion of the embryonal axis above the level of the cotyledon is the epipetal and the portion below the level of cotyledons is hypocotyl. Monocot embryo. Monocot embryo rise, measure, and etc. has a cotyledon called sclerotium. The embryonal axial has radicle and roof are cells called microrhiza. Polyembryonic occurrence of more than one embryo in a seed is known as polyembryon, that is orange, lemon, onion, mango, groundnut. It may be due to presence of more than one egg cell in the embryo sac or more than one embryo sac in the ovule. Reason of polyembryon: it is due to fertilization of more than one egg cell in a ovule. The condition of development: when an embryo sac contains more than one egg cell or the ovule contains more than one embryo sac. Seed after fertilization: ovule mature into the seeds. Seed are seed coat and kernel. Seed coat are two, testa and tegmen. Testa are outer and inner, and kernel perisperm, endosperm, embryo. And embryo are two types: embryonal axis and cotyledon. And embryonal axis is plumb and radical. Non-albuminous seeds: these seeds is which no residual endosperm is found because it is completely consumed due to development of embryo, pea, gram and groundnut. Aluminous seeds: these seeds which retain a parts of endosperm because endosperm is not completely consumed by developing embryo. Maize, wheat, sunflower, castor. Seed dispersal: seeds are dispersed to new habitat through agents like water and wind and animals. Apomix. Apomix is a form of asexual reproduction. This mixicus sexual reproduction where seeds are formed without fertilization. Advantage of apomix: thick seeds, no segregation of the character in hybrid progeny. These seeds can be used to grow crop year after year. These are economical as hybrid seeds are not used to grow up the crop year after year. Parthenocarpic fruits: the fruit which are from development without fertilization are known as parthenocarpic fruit. Such fruits are seedless banana. The phenomena of development of fruit without fertilization is called parthenocarpy. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.